Hello friends, I am Dr. Dipti Lele, founder of Kirti Training and Consultancy, Pune, Maharashtra. Currently, I am working as a trainer and consultant in cyber law for corporates, cooperative banks, and educational institutes. Recently, I am conducting awareness training sessions in cyber law and cyber security in urban and rural areas all over Maharashtra. Now, I have started online sessions also. I conduct Cyber Pathshala, nurturing e-generation for teenagers, cyber spousing for married couples, cyber parenting for all parents, responsible netizen for all age netizen, cyber hygiene for corporates. My vision is creating responsible netizen and cyber safe India. Now, today we stand in the 21st century surrounded by automation and digitalization. Advancement in technology has brought almost everything to an online platform. The world is changing at a fast pace. Social networking is the key to remain abreast with these changing tides. We will soon lose the race if we don't adapt ourselves to this online world. If we equip ourselves with this new knowledge, life would be much better and easy and happy. We will have the confidence to face and walk hand in hand with our upcoming e generation. So, are you convinced for the need of the knowledge about social media platforms? Are you in search of single place where you can learn, sharpen your skills about social media and get hands-on experience? Well, be rest assured. Your search ends here. We at Kirti Training and Consultancy have come up with a unique one-time program highlighting information about major social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, their settings, safety measures, and cyber hygiene related to it. Also, overall information about Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, SlideShare, Pinterest, Tumblr, and their safety measures. The duration of this course will be 2.5 hours. The course is divided into two parts. In the first part, we will cover social media, its advantages, disadvantages, WhatsApp and its settings, safety measures, and cyber hygiene related to WhatsApp, Facebook, its settings, cyber frauds related to Facebook, safety measures and cyber hygiene related to Facebook. The duration of first part will be 1 hour. Now the second part will cover overall information about Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, SlideShare, Pinterest, Tumblr and their safety measures. And yes, cyber hygiene too. The duration of part 2 will be 1.5 hours. This course is useful for all people who has completed the age of 13 years. So, the kids from 13 years to 18 years, housemakers, adults, retired people can join this course. The USPs of this course are every batch will have limited seats. Language of training will be in Marathi, Hindi and English. The participants will be easily understand the concepts. So, if you are interested, please do call me or WhatsApp me on 988 100 4055 or you can mail me on Kirti Training and Consultancy @gmail.com or dipticyber@gmail.com. Thank you.